All right, everybody, Travis with Food Forest Design Solutions. And I have all the trees laid out on the property where the trees are going to go, and I'm going to start drilling holes. I got 3 holes drilled already. This soil is pretty easy to drill in. I haven't hit a rock or any big roots or anything like that. It's kind of going through like a hot knife through butter, and I love that because it makes things go pretty quick. But I got my hazelnut trees dug and just sitting in pots right now in the hole. There's one hazelnut, another one over there, and another one over there. Now I'm going to take you on a little tour. You can see all the pots all around the property. I'll show you what we got going. We got a cherry tree right here. There's going to be a 12-foot circle around that cherry tree. And then they're going to have a guild planted in that. Another cherry tree. A couple of gooseberries. And then we have a row of berry bushes. We got some black currants, red currant, black currant, red currant. 5 raspberry bushes. So it's going to be a hedge of raspberries here. And so all these berries. And then on this tree here, there's going to be passion flower vines climbing up that tree. I got 3 of those. I'm going to plant around the front of that. And by probably June or July, the whole tree will be taken over by the passion flower vines. They're sitting over there. And then I got 2 gooseberries here. And then we got, we got apple tree. And back in that corner is an apple tree. And we got a plum tree. And then back in that corner we got another plum tree. And then we got a honeyberry and a honeyberry in the middle. So we're just gonna straight line them, and then there's gonna be 4 guilds here. So you're gonna have all kinds of supporting plants for all these fruit trees. And next spring I'm gonna build this out, and it's gonna be a raised garden bed area, and then it's gonna have a fence. It's gonna be enclosed so the deer don't get at it. And then right in that spot in front of that window, that whole patch is gonna be an herb spiral that I'm gonna build later on this week. And that will be fun. I'm just still trying to get a hold of the bricks for that. And then over here, this is where all the water runs to a swale over here. So I have some service berries, some elderberries, some black elderberries, red elderberries, and black chokeberries. And those are going to help with slowing that water down and keeping more of it in the system here. And then over here I gotta wait for the utility guy to let me know where all the electrical comes through here, because I don't want to get zapped. But got these dogwoods that are going to go on this side of the swale, and then some other 2 other plants and grasses that love water. But that's where we're at. I'm going to start drilling holes now, and yeah, and then once I get that far, that's what I wanted to accomplish today. Get all the holes drilled. Possibly, if I still have enough time, I'm going to work till 4 or 5 o'clock today. And if I stay till 5, I'm going to try to get that Hugo Coulter circle done around that dead tree trunk out in the front. And then that will be finished. It just needs to be planted out, which will happen on Thursday. Tomorrow I'm focused on, I might even be able to start planting tomorrow if I think I might before noon, if I have all of these fruit tree guilds built, because I'm going to lay the cardboard down, put some leaves and some twigs and branches and stuff on them, and then I'm going to cover it up with 8 inches of that garden soil from up front, and then about 6 inches of mulch on top of that. So once I get the fruit trees done, those will be in guilds. The berry bushes are just by themselves, so they're just going to have the hole they're dug in, and then I'm going to do a little mulch around the little mulch circle around there for holding the moisture in the soil and keeping the weeds down. I'll probably put some cardboard there too, but it's more for holding the water in the soil and protecting that root system. And of course, this is that clay loam soil, so having that moisture being held by that mulch is a good thing. So that's where we're at, and so I'm going to get to work. I don't even know what time it is. Got to be about 1:30, I think, right? Sorry, 2 o'clock. All right, so I figure in an hour I should have all of these holes dug. Maybe. Nah, I probably won't, because the cherry trees and the apple trees have a huge root ball, so I'm going to have to make the holes 3 times as big as I normally do, which is not that bad. I got this auger that just chews the ground up pretty easily, so not too bad. But that's it. I will have some more videos for you in a minute. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.